Japan versus South Korea for long-term living. Pros and cons. First, let's talk about the pros. Japan is renowned for its exceptional safety, cleanliness, and efficiency. Public transportation is world-class and cities are generally well-maintained and organized. Japan has a universal public healthcare system that is highly regarded for its quality, excellent accessibility, and expert medical technology. Japan offers a rich, deep cultural experience while blending ancient traditions with futuristic modernity. It is the birthplace of anime, manga, and unique fashion trends. Japan cuisine is diverse, healthy, and highly acclaimed globally. Beyond sushi, there's a vast array of delicious dishes and culinary experiences. Meanwhile, when we talk about Korea, South Korea is highly developed and extremely technologically advanced with fast internet, efficient public transportation, and a focus on convenience in daily life. South Korea is a global hub for pop culture, including K-pop, K-dramas, and fashion. Its youth culture is particularly dynamic and influential. Korea also boasts a universal healthcare system that is highly efficient, modern, and affordable. But let's talk about the cons for these two countries. In Japan, major cities like Tokyo are among the most expensive in the world. While some sources suggest Seoul can be more expensive for expats due to real estate, Japan's overall cost of living is high. Japanese can be a challenging language to learn, particularly due to its complex writing system, especially for tourists and visitors of Japan. Japan is known for its demanding work culture, which often includes long hours and a strong emphasis on hierarchy and seniority. Now let's talk about Korea. Similar to Japan, South Korea has a demanding work culture with long hours and hierarchical structures. Cities, especially Seoul, can be very congested due to how many vehicles and people that Korea have in its place. While their language is much easier to learn than Japanese for some, due to its phonetics, alphabet Hangul, Korean is still considered as a challenging language, and fluency is generally required for many professional roles.